We never learn our lesson. Mark's done burn his Jeep. I done burn a Jeep. You can't have leaves on the exhaust. All right, I told them to go get 2 Jeeps, some helmets, and we're going to do something. They have no idea. Sounds fun. What? Oh. Here we go. All right, they're getting ready. You know it's about getting serious when Dex takes off his Crocs and puts on real shoes. It's gonna be good. Dadgummit, I just changed the starter. Does it not work? That crappy guy sold me a bad starter. What the world? Cut it off. All right, we used a handy dandy hammer and got it running. Need a fire extinguisher. Here's your fire extinguisher. So what are we going to do? Just go over there. Go behind in your field back there. Okay. I put those limbs up there so they would blow off over there, but can't have kids. So they're headed over there and they have no idea, but something we've always wanted to try but never had a reason to try is bicycling a Jeep. So both of them got cages. They ain't never been flipped, but should be safe. So I'm gonna get the bobcat and some forks and a bucket. We may have to build a ramp, so should be good. All right, I got the forks and I got the bucket and the fork. When we get back, we're going to do parking lot organization. There's vehicles everywhere. So just something to put on the list of things to do. Here we go. So can we know yet what we're doing? Y'all ain't figured it out? I mean, there's an open field. I'm assuming we're going to do something cool. Drag races. Drag races? I got the fast one. Money on my dog. No, we ain't doing drag races. All right, so we're going to try to figure out if we can bicycle a Jeep. Oh, like they do in the, over there? Yeah, can you say Arabs? I don't know. Well, I know you couldn't, never mind. The Egyptian people, or whatever they are. This is no script at all. Let us figure it out. We'll get back. How hard can it be, right? I mean, we got 4. We might as well ride on 2. Yeah. All this bragging, this dude rode a 2-wheel dirt bike over here. I don't know why. All the way from Dex's. Yeah, all the way from right over there. So, hold on. Got this magnificent TTR 80. I'm trying to figure out what we're doing. So I've got like this off camber section here. I know y'all can't see it's a bunch of grass, but maybe we can come around and be off cambered and just kind of whip it and see. I don't know. We've never tried this before, so it might be interesting. That's what you probably realize but don't realize. Rolling over hurts. Like, it's metal on metal and you feel it in your, it's just rough. So yeah, trying to avoid that if we can. All unloaded here. No, take your Jeeps, go down there, and we'll get some orders here in a second. No idea. Bobcat says it's cold outside. I can assure you that is a lie. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go all the way back to the tree line, put it flat on the floor, come around and go across that ridge and then see what happens. Wide open, right? Wide open. See the little ridge right there? Yeah. No, all jokes aside, just start and maybe like come, you know, ride it and then maybe come out of it and see if you can catch enough. Who's going first? You want to do it? I mean, I'll go first. I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's it. We'll figure this out. Your skinny pedal's your friend, so. Mark brought wolf spray. All right, let's get him suited in and ready to go. Suited in, he got on shorts and a t-shirt. Crazy took a turd right there. Watch it. Wow. Oh, wow. I gave Justin a blue Jeep, and he got some blue harnesses. Look like they belong in an Ultra 4 rig. Safety first. Wow, that's pretty nice. They're good to 2025. It's the only ones we have in date, probably. Yeah. My family rig, they went out in 1999. It's 2023. Supposed to do them every 2 years. Watch the turd. I told him I'm sending a Bobcat for safety reasons, but realistically, it's got super cold AC in there, so I'm gonna hang out in this thing. Yeah, this is gonna be harder than we expected. Riding it real slow and then genuinely have no idea. I'm not getting nothing, Miles. Huh? I'm not getting nothing. Just, I don't know what else to do. I need a ramp. All right, let me build a ramp. Build a ramp. All right, I built you a no excuse ramp, Justin. If you can get it right, I'll carry you to Zimba's. I don't even like it, Zimba's. All right, we'll go to the other Mexican restaurant. I feel like I should get you started. I want to get rid of the slick grass there, but we'll see what happens. Go for it. Swerve into it, swerve out of it. Easy peasy. We know exactly what we're doing. Stop it. All I'm trying to talk about is the lug nut. That pink lug nut has made it from my pink Jeep to the bucket of lug nuts back to this Jeep. That Jeep's been out of season for years. Come on, Dustin, it's hot. I'm trying. It's hotter in here. Would you rather get flipped over with the bucket or the forks? The bucket. Okay, the bucket. We're going with the bucket. I was just kidding about going all the way back there, but Justin goes back to the woods. He's probably gonna hit it way too fast. Harder than we think. Good advantage. It's jumping the front end out. It's not touching the ground. It's like a rock bouncer. I have to make the ramp a little longer. Pretty much jumping the whole Jeep. I'm getting pretty close. All right, let me add some more dirt. All right, so Dex built the ramp up a little more. He says he's gonna try it this time. Don't forget this. I'm gonna try, and Justin's got all the feel for it. Now we got the ramp perfected, and it's like, you got it. So, oh yeah. You built the ramp bigger, and then Justin backed out. I ain't gonna say he backed out. No, I'm gonna do it again. When you go out there, you're gonna. I have no advice for you. Just do it. Yeah, I don't like these harnesses at all. I hope not to do anything wrong. All right, he's gonna get a feel for it, I guess. I know it's a lot of work, but I think we're going to have to put that on flat ground. Think so? I don't know why, but this just ain't working. I think it jumps off into a low spot, and that's the whole up part about it. Yeah. Huh. I can try it again, but you ain't even getting your wheels off. I mean, you're not getting your wheels off the ground. I'll try a little faster. They make it look so easy on the internet, don't they? Yeah, and that's what, like, you watch Cletus, he did it, but he's on asphalt. That's what, if that would hook, we ain't got no problem. I don't say, it's throwing dirt out, so it's trying to hook, but there's nothing there. Let it figure something out. Okay, so we increased the ramp. We made the, I guess this is gonna be hard saying this, we made the bigger ramp bigger. Yeah, I checked out, that made it through that. So no excuses this time? Oh, there's plenty of excuses. Any pedal deck. I just don't want to like hit it like 40 and it go bam in that pillar up there, even though those mud truck people do it all the time, don't they? Yeah, they do. You got like 4 sweat beads on you. I know, it's terrible down here. All right, I'm gonna make it happen so we can quit. Ow! You bit me. I'm getting eat up down here. He better do something cool. Uh-oh, we're getting somewhere. I think as soon as it gets up, your back end is just spinning out from under you. That's what's happening. It's just you're losing traction. We don't have asphalt. No, that would help. You'll go get some gravel? Yeah. You are going to clip all these seams so it looks like I got it right on the 3rd time, don't you? I'm just going to clip my seams. Oh. What if... You gonna try it? You gonna try it one more time? Try it more. I guess more aggressive. Like turn harder into it.
I'm just afraid of it.
I feel like you're gonna. I feel like you'll react quick enough. Yeah, that was even worse. Ow! I got bit. Just try it slower and more aggressive. What you're doing when you're going fast like that, you're jumping it and just loading the suspension up.
I'm gonna come high.
There it is. See, I told you I knew exactly what I was talking about.
Well, that don't feel right. It starts going over it. I know it's gonna balance like so high, but it's freaking scary. Oh, what was I gonna say?
You gonna try it again?
Woo, one more. The internet makes it look so easy.
All right, Dex figured it out. Now I get to execute it.
I'm on fire.
You're on fire?
Yeah, come around. Oh, yeah. We never learn our lesson. Mark's done burn his Jeep. I done burn a Jeep. You can't have leaves on the exhaust. I don't even know where the exhaust is. There it is. I'll keep my watch on it. These harnesses suck.
If it was easy, it wouldn't be no fun, but I guess we need a narrower. You can see the ruts right there. They plumb up there, but it just, once you get it, it just loses all the traction. I forget where I'm supposed to be standing. It gets up on two wheels and it like does a rock bouncer flex and then it just falls down to the ground. I don't know what we're gonna do. Like it broke an axle. I know, it's like so aggravating, right?
I know, I feel it, but it just falls out. I'm gonna try to get a little higher.
I was gonna say, the only thing I did was start more that way. Seems to kind of go with the flow.
These sweat beats suck. What do I do different?
I don't know if you can now that rut's formed.
Do some studying.
Taught him to go faster.
I noticed his drive shaft looked warm.
That's what's upsetting the suspension.
I know he's mad because it makes me mad earlier.
Try something different.
This is so aggravating.
I know.
I'm right here at it, but I don't know what else to try.
What do you say, Mark? Mark wants to try. We'll clean the ramp up for you and try to get rid of this low spot. It's fine. It's scary.
I know.
Those harnesses suck too.
No. Sometimes we have bad ideas. This may be one of them.
At least it's, well,
I guess it is my Jeep.
sell it on eBay. All right, Mark says he's got something different in mind.
Well, there'll be about 26 more practice runs y'all won't see. It's not easy. I wish we were showing y'all all of them. We put a counter on there. I guess we can time lapse them.
Maybe he won't hit me, I'll get a good view.
We need a remote control Jeep.
That's a great idea.
Maybe that's what we need. I'm gonna try it one more time.
Last try, right?
Yeah, we'll get it figured out.
No, I can't see. Mark's got it figured out. He's got his bucket up for the shade.
Mark took all my concentration out.
What do you mean?
Look how he's sitting. He raised the bucket up to get shade. Now I'm having to look at it every time I go.
Alright, this may be his last attempt here. That was almost it. I don't know if we're using this video or not. That's what I got to thinking. I said, I've never seen this done on dirt, perfected. So I don't even know if it's possible. It's just not enough traction to do anything. Alright, I'm gonna keep on bragging that it's not possible because I couldn't do it. Bet he fell down. That is so awesome!
Scary?
Yeah, that too. I'm gonna try one more time.
Alright.
Yeah, now I see, I don't know if y'all can see it. We're going down and then climbing back out of that hump right there. And that's where it's starting to lose traction because you're coming across the hump. So, I had to rebuild this ramp. Excited.
That was good.
I bet he's excited. I feel like
That, boys and girls, is how it's done.
that. Now looking at the terrain,
Yeah, it's constantly, I'm having to fight it.
yeah,
And like, I'm losing speed because it's soft. And if I give it gas, it tries
Just
to
to
slip
fall
out.
down.
So I have to yes, it's
this one ain't. This one still got a locker.
no, it's open in front.
I was
See,
gonna say if you had a locker, that would be.
that's
okay.
fun.
I bet it is.
Once you find that balance point, it's like, okay. But the terrain is just killing it.
Yeah. All right, we may turn this into a short video. We kind of just planned this out of nowhere. Definitely got a lot of learning. We did learn, and we got a lot to learn. So we may do this another day when we know what the F we're doing.
Y'all come back and watch.